This is the unboxing and demo of the Epson WorkForce 3820. So these are the toner cartridges, and I'm just unboxing my new Epson printer. This is my new Epson printer. It's the WorkForce 3820. And I recently replaced this with my old Epson printer that was 20 years old. So I can highly recommend the Epson printers, and I want to tell you about some great features and some pain points about setting up this printer. It is a copier, a scanner, and a fax. So you have a lot of different things that you can do with this. It's great because you can feed your papers right in here to your feed tray and scan them. You just press the scan button, follow the prompts, and of course you can copy. It's really easy to do that. You can lift it up and there's the screen, and you just lay your copy down on the screen, and you can follow the prompts that your screen will take you through. Really easy. And of course, when you print from your laptop or your phone, it's just going to come right out here, and it has this little tray right here that's really nice and convenient. And then right under it is where all of your paper is loaded, and it holds a good amount. I would say over 200 sheets of paper, so it's really ample that way. And you can also plug your thumb drive directly in and print out and use it that way. Really nice. And you also have these 4 cartridges for color copying and printing and scanning, and you can follow the prompts to remove those and replace them. Really easy to get to. Its footprint is small, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it's a workhorse in terms of everything that it can do. Now, as far as setup, it's really easy to set up in terms of your phone. You just download the app. You go to the App Store and you download this app, and then you go through and pick out what you want to print, something like this, and you just simply click print, and out it comes. But to get this hooked up takes a little bit more time. So in terms of setting up this Epson WorkForce 3820, it does come with a full set of directions, but again, be prepared. It will take a little extra time. Some of the capabilities is you can print from your email, your laptop, your iPad. You have iPrint mobile app that you can download. You can scan to cloud, and you can do remote printing. And you can also do a test print, which I did. But right now, I currently have this printer directly attached to my Wi-Fi using an Ethernet, but you do not have to do that. You can do it either way. I'm just choosing to use it right now so there's no disruptions. Again, allow for ample time to get this set up. This is my second Epson copier, printer, scanner, and I have loved both of them. They're easy to use. They come with a full set of directions, easy to get to the printer toners, cartridges, small footprint, very powerful with lots of features. So I highly recommend this printer by Epson.